Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's try to create this presentation. If you see my channel and follow my channel, you know we have many familiar with this slide and you can see them. But now let's see how we can create them. If you like more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have the picture that we added from format background from clipboard here or inserting the picture. After that we need this shape. In this picture, this text is not really anything special. It's just the impact font and 287 size. And then for the text option, we go to text option and the gradient fill. We use the gradient fill and the linear time from up to down for this shape. After doing that, we are going to create this effect. How we can create something like this? It's really easy and also hard if you don't know the way. We first create a shape. You see it has many shapes that don't make any sense. How we can create the shapes? It's really easy. We are going to create a circle here, a circle here, and then add some more shapes, and then select all of them and set the fragment, and after that you see something really special have been created. We go to shape format and set the shape outline to none and make it black and set the transparency to something low. Then we just simply copy the text and put it here. Now we just simply set the transition to morph. Let's see, now the magic happened. Okay, if you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. There are some easy slides, but these are a slide, not presentation, and I'm going to make them as fast as possible for you not to waste your time. Have a nice